So I'm going to show you this. It's called Playmaker, and it's what I got shown when I was in school by my PE teacher on how to make like routes and plays and stuff for a football team. And I use it to this day when I'm coaching like my flag football team and stuff like that, and when I'm helping with my high school team and so forth. So I took some coaching classes from like my PE teacher in high school and college, and then this is some stuff that they showed us. So um, it's pretty easy. I'm already logged in, as you can see. So you go over here, it'll show my name, my team, and stuff like that. You go to there, go to new playbook, and I'll just pick 11 for this. This shows you the field sizes, so I just go with the regular one right there. And then for this, I'm just going to name it Tech Recording. You hit this right here to start your new playbook. Give it just a second. Okay, and then it's going to bring you to this screen. So you just click New Offensive Play. Then you can pick any formation you want. So we'll just do split right. It's a pass. You just hit that right there, and then it's going to pull up. And it's going to have your quarterback, halfback, your two receivers. You can move them, all over the field wherever you want them. So if I want to do them both over here for this route, I can move them both over here on the line. If I want to move my halfback to there and my fullback to there, I can. You can move this tight end over to the other side, line them up over here, wherever you want them, really. So you can kind of just move wherever. And right here, you hit right here, and then you drag this on the field. This is the route thing, so I just drag it there, and then you can. Well, it takes just a second. And you can draw whatever kind of route you want. So if you want to do, like, say, an in route, you draw that there. Then you can put another one on this one right here. If you want him to, let's say, run a slant, you draw like that. And make another line slanting in all the way across to wherever you want it. Then let's say you want this guy right here to run just a straight vert. All you do is draw just a straight one like that. And you can also put in stuff like the footballs, show like the football starts there, and then show like if you want you can show like where to catch it on, like, so this is where you want to try to hit him, stuff like that. So yep, I found it's a pretty useful website. I use it all the time for my coaching stuff. So if you ever want to get rid of an icon, you just click on it like that and hit the trash can. It'll get rid of it. You can do it for all these routes. Just hit it and it disappears. And then you can redraw them, re-click them, however you want to do it. You can get rid of them again. And then, yep, that's about it. So, thank you.